Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys doing extremely well. So today we are discussing some questions, English pedagogy questions. So let's start. So first question is, when children are introduced to English as a second language. So four options. First is, they should begin writing first. They should read first. They should begin with letters of alphabet. And fourth one is, they should be exposed to language orally. So the correct answer is should be exposed to language orally. So this is the important. So next question, eclecticism in language teaching refers to using. So option is technology to teach language, all the methods to teach language, appropriate strategies from various method of teaching, and fourth one is the best method of teaching. And the answer is appropriate strategies from various method of teaching. So this is the correct answer. So next question, which of the following approaches or methods advocates linguistic competence and performance? And the option is structural approach, communicative approach, grammar translation method, and fourth one is direct method. And the answer is communicative approach. So next question, global listening is not listening. Option is for improving recognition of spoken text. Second is for specific information. Third one is without being constrained by preset questions or tasks. Preset questions or tasks. Fourth one is at different levels of comprehension. And the answer is without being constrained by preset questions or tasks. So this is the correct answer. Next question, doing activities needs to be taken care of from helping non-native speakers to produce the sounds of the target language. And the option is maintaining the regional interfere. Second is distinguishing the vowel from consonant sounds. Third one is imitating the way a native speaker produced sounds. And fourth one is ensuring that the words spoken are intelligible to other. and the answer is ensuring that the words spoken are intelligible to others. This is the correct answer. So next question. The concept of transformation generative grammar was given by. Option is Piaget, Brunner, Saussure, Chomsky. So the correct answer is Chomsky. So next question. Tell question also refers to. Option is most important question, follow-up question, question tag, insignificant question. So the answer is question tag. Next question. A teacher of class 7 while teaching the poem The Solitary Wrapper by William Wordsworth asked children to find how the last words of each line sound. What is she trying to draw the attention of learners to? Option is vocabulary, theme of the poem, spelling of words, rhyme scheme. And the answer is rhyme scheme. Next question. To help the students overcome the problem of spelling mistakes, the teacher will use dash as the teaching strategy. Option is dictation, loud reading, brainstorming, pronunciation, drilling. So this spelling mistakes. So the answer is dictation. Next question. Grammar translation method of teaching English heavily relies on. Options is language use as the main focus. Second is from focused teaching, meaning focused teaching, direct teaching as a strategy of learning. Answer is from focused teaching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So see you next video.